right, so we just cranked it up right now. It's still lighting up, if you guys can see it flashing on here. I feel it getting warm right now. It's mostly coming from between the fingers and a little bit to the back of it, which is right here on the thumb. All right, today we're gonna bring some winter gloves, and these are actually heated winter gloves. They have the tie down here, the power button to turn them on, and actually these have a beautiful grip that you can grab things around and they won't slip off. It's some sort of a coating that it has, but not just for this. It's actually probably the coating for your phone, so you can actually mimic some of the stuff on your phone like your regular fingers. It has some tie downs here, so you get to make it fit even stronger and tighter, so snow won't get in. It has the entries here that you should be aware, and this is the actual box that you're going to need 3 AA batteries in here because it's not chargeable. It's a battery unit that you have to remember to carry your batteries around with you. But not only that, for emergency, you can actually store them in here too, and also you can store other things in here, just not just your battery case in here, but you can actually put an ID in there if you're on the slopes and you don't want to lose your grip or on your wallet or something. This is perfect. Also, you could even store keys in there. If you don't have to have this box, you could disconnect it and have it on plug and just store stuff, use it for storing stuff. So let me show you. There's a little lever that you just remove, and of course there's an on and off button here that you could turn it off manually from this area too. But once you plug it in, you're able to plug it in. These come in various sizes. You guys can see these are actually large. You could have different sizes, extra large, 2X, and so forth. Now you could turn on the actual button even with the gloves on, so you don't have to take them off or put them on one by one. Now the inside, like I said, it has more like a velvet, very soft material and very warm, double layer, of course. And of course, you're going to have the outside, which is mostly nylon. Now I'm going to show you which you can actually use your fingers, tips, actually to drive your phone and move it around. So very simple. I like that too. That has that built-in unique part of it, the gloves. So we just turn it on right now, and we're gonna do a thermal camera to see where it warms up, so you guys can see how warm it gets. Now I'm feeling it warm all around me, so it is heating up slowly, but it is warm. It's getting really warm. Not too hot. It's just enough where it's very comfortable. It's about 80, maybe 85, and it's still warming up. So let's see, give some more time to see how hot it gets on this one. But I like it that it's very simple, just push a button and you're ready to go. So it is heating up between my fingers, if you guys can see that. So that's the maximum it can go, around 85. All right, so this, like I said, this is probably the hottest spot right there, which is 90, but it's really warm. It's around 85 to 90, so very simple, like the gloves, ready for winter. I hope you guys enjoy the video.